First open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type scconfig wuauserv start equals auto and then press Enter. Type scconfig bits start equals auto and then press Enter. Type scconfig cryptSvc start equals auto and then press Enter. Type scconfig trusted installer start equals auto and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wuauserv and then press Enter. Type netstop cryptSvc and then press Enter. Type netstop bits and then press Enter. Type netstop msiserver and then press Enter. Type Ren C /Windows/SoftwareDistribution.old and then press Enter. Type Ren C /Windows/System32/catroot2catroot2.old and then press Enter. Type net start wuauserv and then press Enter. Type net start cryptSvc and then press Enter. Type net start bits and then press Enter. Type net start msiserver and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Now open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type wuauserv.x/update now and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Now restart. Windows Update should be repaired. If that didn't work, open Start and type Troubleshoot. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Windows Update. Press Run the troubleshooter. Wait for the program to detect your Windows Update issues. Press Apply this fix. Wait for the program to repair Windows Update. Close the troubleshooter and restart. If that didn't work, open Start and type Recovery Options. Open Recovery Options. Go to Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder and go to C. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. Delete all the contents inside this folder. Now restart. Now run Windows Update. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Press Start the service. If your service is already enabled, press Restart the service. Now restart.